Sir?
Yeah, you start, Pujana.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Good morning to all the dignitaries, guests, student friends, and participants from various institutions with a great joy and immense exultation. I feel privileged to extend my warm welcome to all presented here for the webinar on Managing References in a Research Article using Manley, conducted by Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering and Association of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. We now welcome the man who doesn't need any introduction and known among all of us for his wisdom and knowledge, our Honorable Professor and Head of EEE, Dr. S. Jagannathan, to share a few words.
Thank you, Pujana.
Welcome, sir.
Very good morning to one and all, my dear faculty members and student members and other participants from all over Tamil Nadu. So this is new topic. All of you know today is the World IPR Day. So with the theme of welcoming ideas to the market. So this is the thing what world and also Indian government will be what encouraging the new entrepreneurs to the market to develop the country and develop the nation, because what the country badly needed new entrepreneurs. So the small type or will be the large, whatever it may be. So there will be startups. So this is an idea. We are conducting many seminars and workshops and webinars. This is a pandemic situation. We do conduct webinars. So why we are conducting so much of seminars, webinars for under the umbrella of IEEE and Student Association? So it certainly helps to the student community to reach what is the modern world, what is the recent technology in the world and outside the college and the industries. So with this, I welcome today's resource person, V.S. N. Narasimharaju, Associate Professor, Department of Electrical Engineering, DIT, and Research Scholar from NIT Trichy. He is a person who will be what to give eye open about the new idea. So what way can write the new research article and what is the new ideas or the new developments will be in and around Indian electrical engineering. So students will be know, because the electric vehicle and other research will be towards to fulfill the nation. There will be a lot of things will be there to connect the electric vehicle. So we are in as an electrical engineer, we have to give more number of solution for the society benefit. So for that, I wish all the participants and students and faculty members, the seminar will be give a lot of take home messages. So once again, I welcome you all for this webinar. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, I request the coordinator of this webinar, Dr. K. Ramas Kumar, Professor EEE, to share a few words.
Yeah, thank you, Pujana. So, good morning to my dear students and the participants from various institutions. The today webinar topic is a very important topic as per the research scholars and the students managing reference in a research article using Mendeley. For any article or thesis, so when you're writing for a thesis or article, citing of reference is very, very important. So based on the citation, then we can see the quality of your introduction part and the critical literature part, everything. So therefore, the citation of reference is very, very important. So particularly, this is very important for the research scholars and the students, because everyone we are making an article, we are writing the thesis, we are writing a proposal, everything. So for every aspect, so we are citing the reference. So that reference also, the flow is very, very important. So when you are making or when you are writing the article, the citation plays a major role for a flow of entire article. So this is a very important topic as per the like today concern. Um, so I would like to thank Narasimha Raju for accept our invitation in the busy schedule. So I welcome to all the participants. Thank you. I hand over to Bhujana.
Thank you, sir. Now, I heartily welcome our chief guest, Mr. V.S.N. Narasimha Raju, Associate Professor, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering at Vishnu Institute of Technology, Bhimavaram, Andhra Pradesh. Sir has completed his undergraduation at SRKR Engineering College from Andhra University, post-graduation at NIT Trichy, and he is pursuing PhD at NIT Trichy. Sir has published almost 10 international journals. His research interests are IoT, Internet of Things, DC microgrids, and energy storage. Now, I request our chief guest to take over the session.
Raju? Raju?
Sir, are you getting my screen?
Okay. Yeah. Coming. Yeah, it is visible. Yeah, Raju, it is visible. Yeah.
Good morning to everyone.
Okay. Yeah.
Good morning to everyone. Thanks for your introduction, sir. I sincerely thank Principal Management of Dr. NGP Institute of Technology, Institute of Technology, Coimbatore, and Professor K. Ramesh Kumar Garu for giving this opportunity to interact with you people. And I hope everyone in the room are somewhere related to research, right? Somewhere related to research or somewhere related to writing papers. So this session will be very useful for you for managing references in any article. Say my presentation includes referencing and some of the issues faced by research scholars when they're writing a first article, and how we can overcome these issues by using Mendeley is my second part. And sometimes even in Mendeley there are no option to edit according to the journal requirements. So how can we customize the reference style? This is also one of the important thing in this session. Actually, referencing means when you are writing a first paper, you will do research literature review on so many papers, and then finally you arrive with a problem, research gap in research, right? Then when you are writing a paper after doing your research work, when you are writing your first article, you need to acknowledge the others who are all contributed to area which you are going to work, or you are doing your research. So that credit has to be given to the corresponding author. And sometimes if you are not at all giving any credit to the corresponding author, and you are taking his work and you are mentioning his work, means that also sometimes it comes under plagiarism. And also if you are properly referencing the latest papers in the research area, that will indicate that your authenticity, your work authenticity, as well as your work credibility and all, it will impact. So therefore referencing is very, very important in a research article or in research. Say for example, when you are reading a article, you can find example here, you can find this one in closed brackets, similar to these type of things. We can more or less the format will be same. This is the IEEE format. Sometimes it may be different, it will be superscripted, sometimes it will be subscripted, sometimes the other names will be included here in these brackets. So this is called as an inline citation, because you are including some other's work, you are giving a citation of some other work in content. While you are reading an introduction, you can find these type of 1, 2, 3, these type of numericals you can find. This is called as an inline citation, and details of this reference or citation will be given at the end of the publication. Say for example, references or bibliography will be included in the last section of the publication. There you can find the details of this numerical one. One is here, what I have included is I have taken this sentence as a reference from energy storage system control algorithm for voltage regulation with active and reactive power injection in low distribution network. This is the paper, and from this paper I have taken one reference sentence. So I need to enter the all details of that publication: author names, volume, title, year of publication, DOI number, everything we need to attach in the last section. This and all depends on this F.J, Gimman. This and all depends on the, sometimes some journals they have a different approach to enter these details, and it depends on journal to journal. Some journals they will ask short form of journal, some journals they will ask full form of journal. Names will be like here F.J is included. Some journals they will ask federal complete name of the author sometimes. So sometimes initial they have to mention the name here, Gimman.F.J. Initials will be lost. This and all depends on the journal which we are going to upload. So before writing the paper, first we have to identify which journal you want to upload. Then you have to download the template of the journal, corresponding journal, and we have to frame the references, style, everything according to the journal requirement. And while coming to here I have taken a one of the example from my paper. Here, this is the title of the paper, and while I'm writing introduction, this is the introduction, the SPV, this is the introduction, and I have included 4 papers, 4 literature review, 4 sentences I have taken, and those 4 sentences are from 4 different papers. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I am identifying the paper that Journal of International Journal of Hydrogen Energy I have identified. For that journal, this is the format F.J.Gimman. This is the format of that journal. So I have downloaded a template of Journal of Hydrogen Energy, and from that I have identified that this should be, the citation should be in a style of this style. So what I have to do is, the first time when I wrote my first paper, what I did is I will go to the paper. This is the sentence I have taken from one of the paper. This is the paper. So first what they asked is F.J. Gimman. So here I have seen that Rahul Kumar Agarwal. So initial should be in a short form. So R.K. Agarwal. So I have included like this. So comma, then I. Hussain, comma, and Beam Singh. So B.Singh. So in this way, I have to include my names, include other names. Then after that, it should be a comma. So I have included a comma here. Then in quotations, title of the journal. So the title of the journal I am copying and pasting here. And then journal name is given here, IEEE transactions on industrial electronics. So but here if you see, it is italic, so I have made this as an italic. Then electrical power systems research, this is the one of the journal names for. So we need to write a short form of the journal, but in a paper it has been given that transactions on industrial electronics. So as per my wish, I shouldn't write a short form of the journal, IEEE trans say dot indus dot electron dot, like that I shouldn't do. So I have to search the short form of the journal in Google, and then I have to copy here. So I did this type of practice the first time. So I will come to Mendeley how it will be useful later on the session. So first I did like this. Then volume, here volume is not at all included here. You can see here nowhere volume is mentioned. So what I did is, I go to Google Scholar, and then I copy the title name. I have pasted here. So I will get the corresponding publication. This is the publication. So in Google Scholar also we can get the information like this. So this is the symbol for site. So I am clicking here. So different formats. There are generally MLE, APA, Chicago, Vancouver, Harvard. These are the generally most used formats. So We can get for the same journal, all the different formats are indicated here. So from here, I can get the information 64.9, 64 is volume number and issue number is 9. So and page number is also given. This information and all I have filled here. Then I did for second one, third one, and fourth one. So similar way, I have to copy this DOI number is also included here. DOI number we are getting from here. So the missing information I have gathered from Google Scholar. And then after doing all these things, finally my script is ready. Now what I did is, when I'm reading, again I'm reading my introduction, because writing a research paper includes multiple times, iterative times. We have to go for reading, revision, so that flow has to come, the right flow has to come. Then only the paper will get accepted and it will looks like a very good paper. So when I'm reading again, I feel the fourth sentence, what is written here should be should be there in first part. So I am copying this sentence to first part. So the sequence of citations are completely changed. So 4 becomes 1. This 4 citation, previously it is an 4. So after I am changing the paper, it comes to 1. And previously the 1 becomes 2, and 2 becomes 3, 3 becomes 4. So what I am doing is, I am changing according to this process, and again I will change reference positions according to that 2, 3, 1, 1, and then finally I have adjusted to according to the flow. So this will be okay if the number of publications are 4 or 5. If it goes more than 30 or 40, some publications they will take references up to 50. So for doing 50, all these process 3-4 times doing for 40 publications managing is very, very tough. So this I have faced in the first time of writing paper. Then in the final stage of uploading process, I have changed my decision, and I came to hear that another journal is there which can give very short time reply for reviewers. Reviewers reply will be very fast. So I need to change my decision, and I want to upload for different journal. So again, what I have to do is, again I have to download the template of new journal, and what is the inline citation style and what is the reference style. That journal reference style may be very different from this journal reference style. So again, I need to type according to the journal. This and all very tedious process. So what I observed is, it's very, very tough, and more than concentrating on research, doings and all will make you worst. So what I did is, I came to know that later I came to know that there is a software called Mendeley, which is very useful in managing references. So you can come to know how to include references, so that any time, any change in the paper, that will be reflected easily. No need of manual manipulation. So it is very easy. So this is the link for downloading Mendeley. You can directly type Mendeley in Google, so that this page will be appeared, and you can download and install in your system. And then you have to sign in into the, create a login into the Mendeley, and then you can sign in to the login. 1 minute. I already downloaded Mendeley, so I'm logging in. So in the process of logging in, you can observe that these two types of symbols you can observe. Reference manager install green symbol. What does this mean is, already it has been installed, and then citation plugin or Microsoft Word. It is also installed, so I can close this window. So this is the home page of Mendeley. You can see in Word document also. In Word, it is a plugin of Word document. So you can go to Word document and you go to references and you can see here symbols of Mendeley. So what does it mean is it has been already installed in Microsoft Word. So here, if you want to add any number of papers, you can add here in this login. So what I am doing is I am writing one paper. So the publications, the references, what are there in that paper, I am including here. So what I can do is create new folder, article 1, article 1. So a folder has been created. I am clicking this folder and I am adding the papers which I am referred for first paper. So these are the 4 papers I'm going to add to. So 4 papers are added here. You can see here during our research we thought of adding 200 to 300 papers. So based on journal also we can filter based on publication. We can filter the filter by keywords, filter by authors. Yeah. This is one of the journal from hydrogen energy. These 2 are from renewable energy. This is conference paper. This conference paper from one of the IEEE expert. So in this way, we can get the information. We can easily access. And sometimes what we can do is based on year also we can add here. Now what I am doing is this is one of the first article I wrote. So I want to add references here. How we can add using Mendeley? We can see here. First one is here. I want to add one of the paper. So what I have to do is I have to put cursor here and then references, insert citation, and I have to go to Mendeley. So Mendeley is showing 4 papers. Which paper we need to add for that sentence need to be known. So this is the paper I want to add there. So I am clicking this paper and here citation symbol is there. So I can cite. Again, I will try. Yeah. This way we can add any paper we can add here. Yeah. The second paper, same way I have to continue. Insert citation, go to Mendeley, and second paper I'm including here. This is the paper corresponding to that. And again, I'm going to add third paper. So again, I have to go to references, insert citation, go to Mendeley, and third paper I'm adding here. And fourth paper I'm adding here. Okay. After doing that, we have to click here, insert bibliography. So we can see here, once you are able to download papers, number of papers, and if you are able to add same papers to Mendeley, and if you click like this, immediately the reference style, we can get whatever the reference style. So here many IEEE site theme, many papers or many styles are given here. Otherwise, you can do one thing. You can go here, get more styles. Journal of hydrogen. A journal of hydrogen, and you can click install and use this style. Done. So that the total thing will be changed according to the journal requirement. So this is the style of journal of hydrogen energy. Same way, if I want to write second paper, what I can do is I can add again. I can add article 2, another folder. I can add another folder, article 2. That folder, I can add number of publications again. For example, I'm adding here 2 publications. So I am again referencing the same thing. This paper I am citing. Again, I am adding second paper. Then I'm inserting bibliography. So therefore, for the 2 papers I have included here, I have included the 2 papers, and if I want to write a third paper, which becomes a third paper is thesis. I want to write a thesis here. So what I can do is in article 1, I want to copy sentences which are there in article 1, as well as again I want to copy some of the sentences from second paper. So just I am directly copying same sentences from paper 1 and as well as paper 2. And if I go for references, these are the paper 1, these are paper 2, 1 and 2 are from paper 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4 from paper 2. So once I include bibliography, I will get total all 6 papers here. So 1, 2, the numbers are already changed here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So once you are able to, this Mendeley, once you are able to link sentence with a reference, wherever you copy that sentence, automatically that reference will come with that sentence. So here I have included 1 and this paper. So wherever you take this paper, definitely this all information will come through the sentence. So in writing thesis also, you have to manage nearly 200 references. So it is very easy what are all there in your publication. If you are able to link to the Mendeley, it is very easy while writing the thesis process. And then if here what we are discussing is, here up to now what we have discussed is, you have a PDF and then you are getting to, you are uploading to here. If you don't have, if you don't have this PDF, then what we have to do? That is the second process. We can go to Google. What we have to do is here, Mendeley web importer. You have to download. So this will be add on to Google Chrome. So get web importer for Chrome. So I'm clicking here, extension. We'll ask for extension. So add to Chrome, add extension. Then here you can see, here Mendeley symbol. So that what happens is, I will show you how we can say for example, this paper, there is no chance to get this paper PDF. I have tried in SCA Hub or somewhere. So nowhere I am getting this paper. So what I can do is, I can go to Google's. So I'm copying the title here. So here, this is the paper. So this is the citation style. So this I want to copy that paper there. So what I can do is, I can click here in this Chrome browser. So it will ask for sign in. So this is the paper. So what I can do is, this reference style and all I can export or import to Mendeley. So this is the paper. So a novel constant power management controller. This is the paper, a novel constant power management controller. So I can add this to my library there in Mendeley. So it will be visible. Before going to that, we have to do is, we have to sync the library. So you can see here, VSN, Raju VSN, Ramlata M, this paper. So even though we don't have a PDF copy of the paper, what we can do is, we can go for web importer. We can install web importer during the installation process of Mendeley itself. We just install web importer and go to the Google Scholar, or sometimes we can go to IEEE Explorer, or sometimes we can go and directly search in Google, and there also you can find here. You can find here, this is the journal website. There also you can find Google Chrome. You can find Google Chrome directly. You can find, or sometimes you can go for Google Scholar or IEEE Explorer. Also, you can directly, this tab is visible. So once you click this tab, the corresponding citation style will be visible here, and you can add to your account, so that there then you can refer here itself in the Mendeley. So this process is very useful. And then after doing that, next question is uh, customization. If there is no file for this type of thing in Mendeley, say for example, I'm searching here, view citation style, view more styles. So here the style what I want to upload for the journal is not there. So I will search here, journal of circuits systems control. So there is no corresponding file for reference style for this journal. So what I can do is, I have a alternative that I can go to editor dot citation styles. This is one of the website where we can find reference styles. Here there will be three tabs here: left tab, rightmost top tab, and right bottom tab. Here, whatever the changes you do in the left tab as well as right bottom tab, it will be visible in right top tab. So what I can do is, initially I don't start from scratch. I will take one general reference and there then I will edit according to our reference style. Here what I am doing is, I am taking this reference style, IEEE reference style. I want to edit this style according to the our general requirement. So here we can see the different styles here. So the thing is, what is our request style is identifying what is our request style is most important. Here for general and circuits and systems, the reference style is A dot Chauhan and R dot P dot Saini, comma, is the reference style of the corresponding journal. So, and title of the journal is not included in quotations. Here after comma some space and then and then title and then gap comma gap. So while I'm seeing this reference style, I can understand that here you see J dot L dot camel and O dot K. So this is okay, and then comma is okay. According to our general requirement, this is both are okay, comma, and then we have to remove quotations. After this, we have to remove quotations of general title. So what I can do is I have to select this thing, and then here some more options are there. We can include quotations or we can remove quotations, or we can bold the text or we can unbold, italic, according to general format, whatever we want we can do. Here quotations are not there, so what we can do is we can remove the quotations here, and then after journal title, comma, space, that is okay as it is there in journal, comma, okay. This short form of the journal is given. So we need to search for short form. Here also short form is given. We want to here display short form of the title has been given here, or otherwise you can go for global formatting options. Here we can change long form. Here short form has been given. So therefore short form is we can accept the short form, and then volume 40. Here if you see here, after this anything is given, volume is not given directly, volume number is given, volume not at all given here. So what we can do is we can remove that volume. So here only volume number is given, volume that name is not given. So I can select this volume, and here I can remove by clicking minus here. So volume is deleted, and then this volume number is highlighted here with the bold letters. So what I can do is I can bold, and then issue number is not at all given in this. After this one, issue number is not given. So what I can do is I can remove. Then here page numbers are given directly. There is no PP here, so I can edit here according to the general requirement. PP I'm going to remove. This is the exact form, and here year of publication is 2015. There is no mention of month here. So therefore, what I can do is I can click here so that this text is highlighted, and as well as year, month, day. I can click only year so that it will be converted to year and it will be numeric form. numeric form. And DOI as usual. DOI is as usual. And then again we have to see what they have mentioned here, comma, renewable energy, comma, short form of the journal in italic. Then there is no comma here, only some space is included here. What we can do is we have to remove comma. So here the thing is these commas and the full stops are included as a group, as a separate part. So we need to check where it has been included. So here it is comma included here. What we can do is only thing in this one different thing is we have to search for groups. Here delimiter comma is given. So you remove comma so you can identify that. And then prefix I am using space bar I am typing so that the space will be created before this one. So what I can do is before this one I can include comma space so that after title comma and space is included here. And then after suffix means after completion of this text what is required is space is required. So I'm entering space bar here so that here space is created. And then after this volume number also something need to be included. So what I will do is year of publication. You can see after this 40, what is there is after this volume number, what is there is in brackets year of publication. So what I can do is I have to drag this value to this position. So what I can do is I'll highlight this point so the date is highlighted. And then you just see here this date is I'm dragging this date to volume. So after volume it is visible. So I'm deleting this volume. And then I can create a space here. I can create a space here. In the similar manner, we have to edit whatever the thing we are doing. We have to edit according to the journal format. And finally, we have to save the style. This is the path of save the style. 1 minute. I have to assign the number, assign the name of the journal. So I'm thinking that as an JCSC. 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 So after doing the necessary modification, we need to save the style. So I am saving the style. Okay. And download the style. I need to download the same style. So I'm downloading the CSL file. The downloaded file will be in CSL. So this can be copied to. I want to use this style. So what I can do is citation styles, more styles. This style need to be copied here. So use this style. I need to use this style. So I'm clicking here. So definitely this style is added to our Word document. Here you can see clearly the style is changed to Word. You can see here MTL Gayatri Pavan Kumar, comma, space, a review of reactive power compensation techniques in microgrids, comma, space, short form of journal, renewable sustainable energy reviews, and then after this title name in italic, a space, and then 81 in bold letters, volume number, and in brackets, year of publication, and then page numbers, comma, space, DOI. Everything will be according to our requirement, what we have seen in the journal template. So in this way, we can create and customize an reference style, which is going to be uploaded for any journal. So this is the form. And then if you wish to take, some people, they may work in latex. So if they want bibliography, if you get the literature review, everything here in this Mendeley, and if you want to download these reference styles according to the latex, then what we can do is we can we have to select the publications, and then we have to export as bibtex file. So what we can do is, I'm saving this in desktop. So a bibtex file has been created here. You can see this is the bibliography of bibtex file for latex users. So from Mendeley, what we can do is we can do literature review in Mendeley itself. Sometimes we can read the papers, we can highlight the papers, whatever we are adding to Mendeley, every paper we can read and we can highlight as it is there in PDF format. So my suggestion is, you take the first, you download the papers, whatever you are doing for your literature review, you just make a folder here in this Mendeley. Number of folders you can put year and all. We can easily filter based on year in publication in corresponding journal. Everything we can filter here. But thing is, we need to add different number of PDFs to this style and this Mendeley, and we can refer to wherever we want. We can refer this very easily. So this is about Mendeley. So if you have any queries, you can ask.
Participants, if you have any questions, please ask directly to the resource person.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Tell me, sir.
Sir, I have one doubt. Sir, how to download this Mendeley desktop?
Sir, Google directly, it is a free version, sir. It's not a paid one.
Okay.
Direct download, sir. It's very easy to download. It's like a small plugin, sir. Plugin for Microsoft Word, sir. It is very easily installed and it is very easy to download, sir.
Sir, is web importer, Mendeley web importer and Mendeley desktop the same or different, sir?
Both are same, sir. But thing is, whenever you want to add, this is extensions for web importer is extensions for Chrome, sir.
Oh, okay, sir.
Whenever you want to have a reference without having PDF, then that time what we can do is, where that the publication will be somewhere present in NetNo, sir.
Okay, sir.
No need of downloading PDF. You can directly go to that website or publisher where this paper is present, and you can add it to. You can import the reference style to Mendeley without PDF.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, YouTube link of video will be shared with you, sir. If you have any doubt, just go through that video and step-by-step procedure. Within half an hour, you can understand, sir. Initially, I tried in net for many days, sir, but in net only limited information present in the net. So I have explored so many things in this one. So what I have explained is little things what I have explored in net, sir. Net and by my own, I have explored, sir, many things. So that's what I have explained in a content way.
Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, another doubt, sir.
Tell me, sir.
Sir, I'm using Microsoft Word 7, 2007, sir.
Yes, sir.
When I see through the references and insert citation, it does not show like a manly desktop, sir. How to insert that, sir?
1 minute,
It,
sir.
show, it shows like add new source, add new placeholder, search libraries, like that only.
Sir, when one thing is when you are logging into Mendeley, it will ask, sir, whether we have to install, whether the software has to install a plugin to Word or not. So we have to click that tick mark, or otherwise you can go to tools, sir. Sir, are you seeing the screen, sir? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir. Here you can see, sir, if you go to tools, here you see, sir, uninstall MS Word plugin. Why it is
Okay.
showing like this is already I have installed, sir. So it is showing
Okay.
like uninstall. If it is
Okay.
not installed in your MS Teams, not added, then you can, here it will be install MS Word plugin. So if you click here, it will be automatically added to Word, sir. You click
Okay.
here, sir. Go to tools and you click here.
Okay. Okay, sir.
From
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Participants, if any other question, please ask to the resource person.
Sir, one more doubt, sir.
tell me, sir.
Sir, what is the difference between bibliography and reference, sir?
Sir, bibliography means uh, sir, both are same, sir.
Oh, both the same. Okay, okay, sir.
Same, sir. Some journals they will ask like references. Some journals they will give a mention in template that bibliography. Both are same, sir.
Okay, 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 sir. Thank you.
Okay, Raju. Raju. Okay.
Sir, tell me,
Participants,
sir.
if you have, yeah, participants, if you have any question, please ask. Okay. Okay. Raju, thank you for your wonderful presentation. Then how to managing the reference article by using Mendeley. Thank you, Raju. Thank you for your valuable presentation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Now I would like to call HOD sir to speak few words about our today presentations. HOD sir? HOD sir? Okay. Sir? Okay. Okay. Pujana? Pujana?
Sir,
Okay. Now you carry on. Okay.
thank you, sir, for thank you, sir, for your valuable information. On behalf of Dr. NGP Institute of Technology and Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, I thank our HOD and coordinators for organizing this webinar. I give a really heartfelt vote of thanks to our chief guest, Mr. V.S.N. Narasimha, who spent his busiest time gracing the occasion today. We had the opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this is definitely encouraging us in our future events. Your thoughts have enlightened our mind and shown us a new path. Thank you, sir. Last but not the least, I thank student friends and participants from various institutions for participating in this event. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Raju, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very
Okay.
much for
Thank you.
your cooperation.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Thank you,
Bye.
Raj. Okay.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Dear participants, feedback link shared in chat box. Kindly please fill the feedback links, then you can leave the session.